Hi, I'm Monica from IDAC. Today I'm excited to share 5 essential lighting tips to help you create stunning visualizations in V-Ray for SketchUp. Let's start. Defining light roles. First, divide your lights into primary, secondary, and accent lights. Primary lights, such as dome light with HDRI maps and sunlight, act as the main sources of illumination, shaping the overall lighting and mood of the surrounding environment. Secondary lights, such as IES lights and rectangle lights, support the primary light by brightening dark areas and enhancing specific parts of the scene. IES lights are commonly used for ceiling lights and hanging lamps, while rectangle lights are ideal for illuminating dark areas. Accent lights such as mesh light, emissive lights, and accent rectangle lights are ideal for adding detail and illuminating specific elements, like LED lights in suspended ceiling or LED strips under upper cabinets. By using these lights together, you can create a visually compelling and realistic scene, blending natural and artificial lights. Combining cold white natural lights with warm yellow or orange artificial lights can create a dynamic and inviting atmosphere. This blend enhances the mood and realism of your visualizations. I use cold dome lights with HDRI maps for natural light and mainly IES lights with orange-yellow hue for artificial lights, typically set between 3 and 4000 Kelvin. Are you happy with this video? This scene I've been working on is part of my brand new V-Ray for SketchUp Visualization Course coming soon. Make sure to sign up for the list and you will be the first to know when it's ready. Check the description below the video or click at the upper right corner. Mastering LightMix. LightMix, available from V-Ray 5 onwards, allows you to tweak the intensity and color of lights in your scene after rendering. To create a LightMix render element, go to Asset Editor, click on Create Asset, choose Render Elements and select LightMix. In the LightMix properties, you can group lights together or adjust them individually to fit your scene. This tool lets you experiment with different lighting scenarios without re-rendering, saving time and enhancing creativity. Invisible rectangle lights. First, create a rectangle light and place it in the scene where there are dark areas you want to brighten. Rotate the rectangle light so it illuminates the area at an angle, avoiding a direct perpendicular light to the camera. Finally, in the properties, set the light to invisible to ensure it illuminates without being seen. Use invisible rectangle lights to brighten dark areas in your scene and enhance reflections in your scene without the light source being visible. Light Directionality. To enhance your scene's lighting, create a rectangle light and position it outside the window. Rotate the light to your desired angle, then set it to invisible in the properties. With directionality of 0, the light spreads evenly, offering soft, diffuse illumination. Increasing it to around 0.8 focuses the light, creating stronger contrast and shadows. Create lighting that highlights one part of the scene, while leaving another in shadow creates a 3D effect, making your visualization more realistic. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips will help you improve your visualizations even more. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Check out my website idac.org. You will find there many free content, free resources, V-Ray for SketchUp course, articles, and even more. See you there. Bye!